So hi guys, and I hope that everything works. Yes, I'm connected. Nice. So day 3 of live coding with this app. Actually, I'm streaming after my work, not before as usual. So I'm a little bit tired, but hopefully more people will join because now it's in more like it's in better hours than in 6 a.m. It's usually too early for people. So hopefully more people will join and yeah, we can start on that. Let me switch. Yeah. Only issue is that I am quite tired because I'm not used to, like, after the whole day of work, it's not best. I have now the work in my head, right? This content switching is quite hard. For some reason, it's better for me when I'm working on my side projects before my work, but yeah, what can I do? Hopefully it will be okay like this as well. Okay, so I'm building this app, but today I think I will create the backend for it, because last time we added this login, but it's not really login. I just wanted to test how this like saving, where do I have it, store, yeah, how this saving to async store works. But that's all what I'm doing. So today I had to create the backend so I can create the real login. I don't want to do some super, I don't know, it's called super something or Firebase or something. I want to do the proper backend, proper login with JWT token. I think I will also add the refresh token and things like that. So proper normal login with email and password. That's what I want to do. And for that, we need normal backend. So, yeah, let's start on that. And yeah, but before that, what I did in my free time is that I finally studied how this file structure works and how the Expo router works, and now I'm pretty confident that I know everything about it. And maybe I can very quickly explain it, or maybe even better. Wait, give me a second. I will very quickly switch to my testing project. Give me a second. Okay. Hopefully today I will not miss any comments. I will try to look here in the comment section quite often. How can I know? Okay, it doesn't matter. So how it works, right? We have this layout. Every file that we create here is automatically wrote. And why we have this file, this layout file, is so we can add this stack, because without it, as you can see, we have one layout, and here I have model and tabs, and here I have 5 and 6 like the files that I created. And when I click here, I go to the 5, and as you can see, I have this nice animation, right? I go to 5, from 5 I go to 6, and then I can go back and back. And I didn't implement this back going. That's the stack, that's the React Expo, and that's this layout, this stack layout. And it's like no, this is actually 2 screens, and this one screen is this tabs. So this whole folder is like basically like one screen in this router. So that's why I need to have another layout, and here I have these tabs, and inside it I have these files. And because I have those files here in the tabs, even so I didn't create any screen for them in these tabs, they are automatically added as tabs. So that's why, as you can see here, 4 and 3 are here as tabs, but 5 and 6, because they are in like parent folder, they are not in the tabs, but they are added as stack. So the stack was added, and and that's why I have this back button, and I can move between them with this back button, because if I remove this layout, let's see, I remove it completely, right? I remove this layout. I probably need to refresh the app. Okay, some issues, doesn't matter. Now I don't have the layout of like the parent layout, so it loaded only this layout inside, and those files are currently not in any layout. That means they are not in stack or not in tabs anywhere. And because of that, they are just separate files, and they are not in the stack. So now when I go to the 5, as you can see, no back button, no animation, nothing. No, they are not added in this array of stacks. So that, and this is like pure pages without the router. And this is how it works. And that's why the layout is important. Okay, that's it. What I wanted to show, that now I understand it. And that I'm not lying, that I understand it. Yeah, but it's a little bit confusing. I mean, it's the same as in the new Next, but I worked only with the previous Next, and it works there a little bit differently. But I watched some videos, I read the documentation properly, and now I understand it. It was hard to like understand this layout inside layout, but if you imagine in your head, it's like this layout is screens, and the drawer is just one screen, but that screen is also layout, so that's why we can see it as layout, but it's basically just screen, and that's how it works. All right. Yeah, I can keep it running, but I will create new project anyway. Sorry. And this new project will be the backend for it. My idea is to have like this, email and password, and sign in with Apple and sign in with Google, and to have like to do the authentication with my backend, not like with this Apple ID. What I want to do is to just authenticate this user once with sign in, save it, like handle it on my backend, create the JWT token and then save it in the user here in the client and work with it as normal, like normal proper frontend, React frontend. I don't know. That's what I want to do. So JWT token is the way. All right, let me quickly just open a new project. Just a second. I just don't want to share any viable data, right? So even will backend. Cool. All right. Now I have backend. All right. And now I want to just wait. Don't need this. I want just simple. Oh yeah, by the way, the first video, 1000 views, amazing. Second, not so great, but still it's nice. For like only 2 videos, I gained like over 50 subscribers. Amazing. So thank you, all of you. Yes, so I like always have this issue with creating a new node project because there's so many ways how to do it, but I always find this video from Firebase NodeJS TypeScript, I think. Is this it? To set up? It's probably it.
Sentry can't fix this.
Našla jste toho pravého?
Oh.
Pak oceníte službu
Abbas.
Moje plány.
Hi.
Pomůže vám si včas naspořit na váš velký den nebo třeba na svatební cestu.
Every few months, I find myself
Not
setting
sure if you can hear it, but I guess it doesn't matter. I just want to. This is a really nice tutorial how to set up Node in
up a Node.js project with TypeScript, and every time I do that, my configuration seems to be different, which is very annoying. I could just switch over to Deno, or maybe try a Harakiri ritual, but that's not always an option. In this video, we'll set up Node.js version 18 with TypeScript, and look at a couple of other cool tricks along the way. The first step is to initialize the Node project by running npm init flag y to give us a package JSON. From the
okay, so let's start with that. npm init. This y is like that we don't need to set up everything on our own.
there, I'm creating an index.js file. Then inside this file,
oh, thank you, Abbas. Thanks a lot. I hope you will enjoy it.
I want to import
Today I will create backend for this app and the authentication.
a package. The traditional way to do that in Node is with CommonJS using this require
This
function.
is the
However,
CommonJS,
most
and I
developers
hate
today
it.
prefer ES modules
And
using the import-export
I'm a React
syntax.
developer,
So
I'm
let's go
used
ahead and
to
convert our
import
code to
React.
an ES import. Now if we open up the terminal and try to
Wait, I'm not sure if you can hear me on the video as well, so I will stop it when I'm talking.
run this code, you'll notice we get an error telling us that we can't use an ES module unless we first go into our package JSON and change the type to module. This tells Node to use ES modules instead of require, and now our code works perfectly. That's cool, but this video is about TypeScript. So let's go ahead and install TypeScript now, and you want to make sure you
Okay, install TypeScript. I think we can save it as dev. right. Now we have TypeScript, cool.
You have a version greater than 4.7. In addition, in package.json, we'll add a script that runs that TypeScript compiler to build the application or convert.
Okay. Let's add build.
The TypeScript code into JavaScript code. Now, before we configure it, I'm going to organize things by creating a source directory and add our index.ts file to it. When using node built-ins, you might get an error that says it cannot find the corresponding type declarations, in which case
index.ts. Then he installed types for node, right? npm install the types node, or is it, yeah, types node. Are you using Firebase as database? No, I'm not. I don't want to use Firebase because I don't like with Firebase how everything, like all the logic is in the front end part. And I don't like it. I like proper backend, so I will just use normal ExpressJS as proper backend and Postgre as database. And I will run it on my own server. I prefer it this way.
you'll want to install the types for Node, and the error should magically disappear. The next thing we'll do is create a tsconfig.json file to configure the behavior of the TypeScript compiler. For now, I'm going to paste in a config that I've used in past projects, and let me
Wait, there is this like TSC in it or something like that. Yeah, cool. So he used, no.
Explain what all these things mean. Module defines the module system for the program. CommonJS would be ideal for a program that uses.
Cool. Yeah, thanks, Abbas. I hope I'm saying your name right.
Require, but we're going to change that to Node next. This is a relatively new option that's designed to work with a package JSON that has the typeset and module. After that, we have module resolution, which determines how TypeScript will find code that you import. Let's also go ahead and change that to Node next. Now, the target is the flavor of JavaScript that your code will compile to. ES 2020 should be fine if you're deploying to a modern version of Node, but you can go all the way back to ES3 if you prefer. We then have the source map option set to true, which maps the compiled JavaScript code back to TypeScript, which can help us out with debugging. And then
okay, so target Node. I don't have it as what? Wait, what? Module. Oh, here. Node next. Target, yes, is ES 20. It's okay. Yeah, that's right pronunciation. Okay, cool. And module resolution. Wait, I will move this here so I don't need to switch between two screens. Target, I have it. Module, and where is the module resolution? Here. Also Node next. It's like horrible how like there's so many ways how to set this up. It's I always like he said in that video, every half a year when I'm doing new project, I do it differently. That's why I just started to do this way, because it's worked best, I guess. Source map, I don't need source map. And output directory, where is it? Out directory, yeah, the dist is nice. Dist and include, I will also create new file, new folder, and include It's outside compiler option? Yeah. Okay. Strange. Include. So it's like this. All right. Now it should
Finally,
be
we have the out directory, which is where the final JavaScript code will be compiled. That's it for compiler options. The last thing we need to do is tell TypeScript where to find our code with the include option pointing to the source directory. That takes care of the config. Now let's pull up the terminal and run npm run build. That runs the TypeScript compiler to generate this disk folder that contains the JavaScript file that we can actually run on Node.js. We now have TypeScript running in Node.js, but there is one important thing you should know here. Let's imagine we have a helper.ts file that exports some code. If we try to then import it in the index file, you'll notice we get an error saying that it needs an explicit file extension. When using Node Next, we need to use the .js.
This is the only issue with this setup, that you have this ugly .js, not even ts, but js, because it's basically taking this folder, but
extension when importing files local to our project. This is not the case when importing packages from Node modules, so just be aware of this weird caveat. The reason that's like this is because we can also use CommonJS modules side by side in the project. If we create a file called helper.cts, we can use
and this is the cool thing about this approach.
The CommonJS module export syntax inside of it. Then back inside the index file, we can import that code using the CJS file extension. So basically, the Node Next option gives us much better interop between CommonJS and ESM. And with that, we have a good starting point for Node.js and TypeScript. There are tons of other options in the TypeScript config, but hopefully you never have to touch them. Though I am working on a full TypeScript course that'll take a deep dive into.
But wait, now I'm not sure if I'm running it with Node.js or just normal Node.
Runs that TypeScript compiler to build the application or convert the TypeScript code into JavaScript code. Now, before we configure it, I'm going to organize things by creating a source directory and add our index.ts file to it. When using Node built-ins, you might get an error that says it cannot find the corresponding type declarations, in which case you'll want to install the types for Node, and the error should magically disappear. The next thing we'll do is create a tsconfig.json file to configure the behavior of the TypeScript compiler. For now, CommonJS would be ideal for a program that uses require, but we're going to change that to Node Next. This is a relatively new option that's designed to work
I guess with normal Node.
with a package JSON that has the type set in the module. After that, we deploy into a modern version of Node, but you can go all the way back to ES. Inside this file, I want to import to give us a package JSON. From there, I'm creating an index.js file. Then inside this file, I want to import a package. The traditional way to do that in Node is with CommonJS using this require function. However, most developers on and change the type to module. This tells Node TypeScript compiler to build the application or convert the TypeScript code into JavaScript code. Now, before we configure it, I'm going to organize things by creating a source directory.
Switch to TypeScript. But I think that with this, I can use the Node and not I don't need to have Node TS. Yeah, but I need to install Express anyway. So ExpressJS. Install Express. What else? Prisma. Wow, 4 people are watching. Nice. So Prisma, I need Prisma as well. It's really cool. ORM. I think it's the best one. ORM. Quick setup. I think it's just maybe I need TS Node, and we will see. I think it's just npm Prisma. What else? Prisma, Express, and yeah, JWT token, but I will install it later. Right now, let's start with the Express. Yeah, I never remember what to include. Yeah, so let's test it first if everything is working. And I don't like this from Okay. Yeah, I need to install types. Maybe Zod for validations. Prisma is doing the validations. I don't think I will need it. I will need it in the front-end part for the form, but in the backend, I don't think so. At least not now. Yeah, but thanks for tip. Okay. Now I'm not sure if I need to wait. If I probably need to run it with this, probably will not work. Yeah. I need to run it with TS node. I think. Wait, I'm confused. I don't remember how I'm doing it. Because, you know, setting up this project is like really just once per few months. To create ExpressJS project. I will Google it just to be sure. Wait, TypeScript. Yeah, this is what I need. I remember that I was installing something like concurrency or something, and it was building it and running it at the same time. Can you please zoom a little bit? Yeah, sure. You mean, wait. Yeah, you mean the code or the browser or both? I will zoom both. All right. By the way, what time is it, Abbas, in your place? NodeMon? Yeah, NodeMon. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Yeah, thanks. Thanks. NodeMon. Yeah, NodeMon. That's it. But the NodeMon, yeah, cool. 9:30 p.m. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's I think, yeah, I have 5 p.m. No, Node has it built in. You mean the TypeScript? Wait, what has it built in? You mean NodeMon? India, yeah. Node built in NodeMon. Hi. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Okay, I can't find it. NodeMon built in Node. maybe 2024. Wait, I can't click for some reason. Can you read my name? No. Do you use ChatGPT? No, not much. Not much. I usually just Google, not Google, sorry. I usually use it for just controlling my grammar when I'm writing some email in English or something. Yeah, I guess I will stick with NodeMon. That's the easiest. And is there something else? Yeah, this is what I was installing. But I don't remember what's the reason for it. You may consider this file lets you specify directories, extensions to watch, blah blah blah. Nah, it doesn't matter. I will do it with NodeMon. So dev it's NodeMon, right? And index ts like this. It should work. Yeah, cool. It's working. And now in the port 3000, okay, let's change it to port 5000. Oh, and if something is in use, okay. So 5001. And now if we test it, yeah, hello world, nice. So backend is working, cool. Wow, 7 people, nice. That's a lot. All right. So now we have working backend. Yeah, let's set up the Postgres server. Okay. Yeah, this is the mock-up of the app, by the way. It's very ugly, I know. I think I have it running. Just, I will switch my camera because I'm not sure if I don't have there some data from different projects. Well, just quickly. Okay, I think it's all right. So I created new server. And now that's also difficult. I always forgot how to do it. So let's try to initialize it. And now we need to set up, yeah, this is from my previous video or video series. So I need to set up new database and new user, right? So I need to open the server. Yeah, this is the terminal. with the Philip Makesh user, which is the root user. Wait, I need to Google it. Sorry, I can't remember it. No. Add new user to Postgre database. Okay, this looks like it. I'm already in the Postgre. So now I should be able to create the database. No. So I guess I'm not in the Postgre. So let's try to get there. Wait, but I should be, wait, you did not confirm permission dialog. Okay, so give me a second. Give me a second. All right, now I'm there. I'll switch back. Oh yeah, I forgot that it's probably very small, right? Like this, cool. And now let's create the database. So create database, event whale. I think there is like this. No, I hope that I didn't run something. List of databases Postgre. There's some command for it. Yeah, it was like this. No. No. I need the other slash. Where is it? I will just copy. Is it okay that your 100 million idea is leaking to internet? I mean, it's not really $100 million idea, right? It's just to like lure people to watch the stream. But I mean, if somebody will be faster, I mean, once the app is created and if it will be successful, people will try to clone it anyway. So I think it doesn't matter. It's more about the marketing. And I think I will not probably stream the marketing, maybe just some parts of it. So I guess it doesn't matter. And if really from this app, like if really this app will reach 100 million in evaluation, then I think that because I'm streaming it, that it means that I'm the owner of the rights for it, so I can sue the other people if somebody will copy my idea. I think I read on the internet that it works something like that, that you don't need to really register your idea to the patent I don't know how to say it. So that you only need to like have a proof that you were the original owner of that idea, I guess. Okay, But for some reason, I don't see the database here. That's not great. I should see the database. So I think I did something wrong. Create database. Oh yeah, I know what I did. I forgot the semicolon. It's always that issue with semicolon at the end. You see, I didn't add semicolon to the previous command, so now it's complaining, but now it should work. Yeah, database was created, and if I run list of, oh no, wait, invalid, so maybe this is without semicolon. Okay, but my DB is this, but I forgot to change it to the correct name, so let's create another database. Even will. All right. And now hopefully finally, yeah, we have the correct database. Hi bro, I left from India. Please tell me, can I help too? Oh, sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Ayush, I guess. And Ankita, if you can help too. I mean, if I will have some struggle, maybe like now, for example, you can try to Google the answer and try to suggest the answer. I'm trying to set up the Postgre database, and I did it many times. I did it maybe like 10 times in last year, but I always forget how to do it. Okay, now I need to create a new user. Grant privileges on database to user. Okay. I think I can create user without the password. I think I can do it like this. Okay. And now if I do this, database event will to user event will user. Wow, 11 people. And now, wait, the role doesn't exist. So how to add a role to user PostgreSQL? As you can see, I already Googled all of this because, like I said, I'm doing this all the time. Like every single time I'm Googling everything because I can't remember how it's done. All right. Let's try to just check the list. All right, we have event while user. Wait, I added there one R, additional R. No, it doesn't matter. It's just for local purposes anyway. I probably should have just used like my root user, but I like, because I have multiple projects, I like to keep it organized. So okay. I don't want to create role, I want to add role to existing user. alter changing privileges. I think I will just give it super user role, and that's it. Set role, no. I think, as I remember, it was like I alter user to add role. It was something like that. I think I know the answer. How can I join? Just write it. I don't know how to add new user to the stream. Sorry, it's the third day and I have no idea. It even took me like 20 minutes just to start the stream because the OBS that I'm using, it was failing all the time. Like the app itself, it's a horrible app. Yeah, but you can write the answer to the chat. Change, yeah, alter user. Wait, what? Role specification. Wait, what? PostgreSQL add role to user. Create role. Oh, okay, it's this simple command. Alter user. Oh my god. With super user. Nice. And if I take a look, yeah, now I have user with super user privileges. That should be enough for everything. Ankit, which permission does your user require? Anything. I have it just for the local purposes, so it doesn't matter. I just created this user to keep it organized. That's all. So super user should have everything. And now, since we have the database and we have backend, I will create the Prisma and try to connect it to the database. Yes. So Prisma. I think it will be so Prisma init. So Prisma init. Prisma, cool. Here I should add the users. So let's add the Eventville. Localhost is Give me a second. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4. Oh, it is 5, 4, 3, 2. Cool. And the DB is even well like this. Okay. Okay, now let's add some test model like user. No posts. And now let's run the migration. That's for init. Wait, I didn't save it. Oh yeah, I know. I didn't install dot how is it called? env.env. Yeah. This is it. For reading the environment variables. I think you should use mmkv instead of async storage. mmkv. What is it? Oh yeah, I know what it is. That's like the improved database on the client side, right? Key value storage framework. Yeah. I can use it even because it's faster. Yeah. Okay. I can use it, but I also Google some. I try to Google like what to do. Like if I have it correctly, and I think that actually for this purpose here I should use the secured storage. It's secured storage React Native. Secure store. Yeah, this is it. Secure store. That should be the proper key value storage for the login. But yeah, thanks for the tip. I'm not sure if I said it, but I'm React developer. I have experience with React and even backend for many years, for more than 5 years. But I never did application with React Native, so that's new for me. So I'm glad for any tip. Okay, so let's now try to run migration. Still the issue? Maybe I need to kill the terminal. That's weird. I think I should have everything. Prisma init. Migrate def. Okay. Maybe Prisma validate. Huh. What is this? Like, it's like it can see this or what? The URL should be PostgreSQL. Yeah, I have it. I have it. I see that it's complaining about that, but it's weird. Maybe I don't see it completely. Maybe there's some typo or something. No, it's weird. Hmm. Let me think. Maybe I can try to Google this error. Maybe it happened to somebody before. Okay. I face the same issue. I rechecked connection string. Not help. Removing the quotes. Okay. Weird. npx Prisma migrate dev. Ah, now it's working. I noticed that I had there the extra I, so maybe that was the issue. So init. Cool. Cool. And the Prisma client was generated. So we now even have the Prisma client with this user. And if I want to check if the database was correctly created, but it of course was, otherwise it would fail, I can do Prisma Studio. Nice. Oh wait, you can't see it. Sorry. Give me a second. Here, yeah, nice. This is the Prisma Studio of the database. It's the same as pgadmin, basically, just from Prisma. So yeah, the table was created. That's nice. Table with user. All right. So we have working backend. We added Prisma. Now I need to add the JWT. Wait, since the backend is working, I think I can move to the front end, create the screen there for the adding the user and actually email and password. And after that, I can send it to the backend and finish with the backend. That would be probably better. Okay, so for now, backend is finished. By the way, if you never heard about Prisma, it's like really cool. You create the Prisma instance. Where is it? Prisma Studio, yeah. I don't remember the exact instance. Oh, my instance. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. The Prisma client. Okay. So you just edit somewhere. And now you can, with Prisma, just like find all users and things like that. Actually, it needs to be asynchronous and await, but just with this simple command, you can find all users in the database. It's super cool. I really love Prisma. You basically don't need to know SQL because of that. Okay, so now let's move to the front end. Yeah, here I will reload the server. Is it still too small? Or is it okay? Okay, how many? Whoa, 22 people. Wow. Nice. No, just five people right now, but 22 people connected and then disconnected. But yeah, it's still nice. Still nice. All right. So, by the way, if you have some questions or if you know something better, yeah, don't be shy to just ask in the comments or say in the comments how to do things better. I like the tips how to do things better. It's okay for me. Okay, it broke, so I have to restart it again. Good now. Yeah, okay, thanks. Thanks for the feedback. If it's too big, also say it. All right, so okay, so wait, let me think a little bit. Oh, it's really hard to stream after the work. I'm super tired, but yeah, it doesn't matter. I will finish this off. Let me think. I will probably create a login component just with the form because I'm still not sure where I will show this form. I was thinking that I will not show it immediately after the login because I personally hate when when I download some app and I can't check this app because I need to log in. So I was thinking that maybe I will skip this and ask user to log in once he try to create the event. So that probably will be better because he will be able to check the app and like know why he is logging in. Yeah, that's better. So I will just create the component, login component. Yeah, and I will for now, just for now, I will show this login component here instead of welcome. like this. Yeah, it's here, but it's ugly. And also, oh yeah, because it's not in the stack, it's even outside of the safe view, right? Wait, so I need to do it a little bit differently. What I need to do? You might, oh yeah, you might, Abbas is saying that you might also need to add course middleware. Yeah, that's true. I would need to add it. That's right. I guess there is some delay, right, between what I'm doing and what you are seeing. Because I noticed that there is some delay. I don't know how long this delay is. But for now, I think I will solve the course issue with just that course package. Yeah, with this one. You can simply install it. And then you can edit, yeah, like this as the new middleware. Yeah, you were right. And with this new middleware, I don't understand why some packages are with types and some are not. Like, why not every package is included with the types? Weird. And with this, the course should be allowed for everything for now. Of course, it's not for the production, but for the development, it should be okay. And here with the login, since the login is outside of the stack, I maybe can very like easily solve it to create new stack with just login, right? Wait. What is now do? Layout should must be type of the screen. Okay. Okay, so I need to create the login file anyway. Ah, it doesn't matter. For now, I can do anything. So login. I can after just move it to the component. It's okay. It would be like easiest solution to get it working. Okay. And wait. Actually, I didn't solve it. If I now add it to the stack, this login, right? It will be in the stack. Let me think. If I like change it a little bit, because I don't need this use color scheme anyway. That's just something from the template, Expo template. So if I will change it like this, right, and And now wait, or maybe I'm thinking what's the cleanest way to do it. Is this the cleanest way? Yeah, probably. It's basically the same as adding the ternary. I don't know how to say it in English. It's basically the same as doing this. If no user, and this if user, add this. But I'm not sure what is cleaner. Probably the way I have it. Alright, so now we have the login screen. And here I will add the text input. Two text inputs. I don't need to add this safe area view because the Expo router has it in itself. So text input. Yeah, because it's just two fields, I don't need to create form for it, right? I can do it like this. Yeah. And because, wait, maybe does the React hook form work also in React Native? It should, right? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's even in the official docs. Cool. But yeah, I think I don't need it for now. Const text set text or email set email, or maybe actually when I'm thinking about it, I would need it for validation. Let me think. Yeah, probably I need it for validation, right? Because it's just easier to handle validations with form. Yeah. And also exists for React Native something like this. What's it called? SHA. Like this? Does somebody know if something like this exists? If you know it, what it is? It's like this really cool something like MUI, just styled library, but it's written with Tailwind and you can just copy it. So that's pretty cool. I try to Google it. React Native. You are a library of customizable and easy to use React Native components. Button, input. That's not so pretty, right? Native. Okay, Abbas is saying native. See anyone. Wait, that's not it. Do I have it correctly? Native UI? Is it this? Why is it so big? Is now deprecated. Existing project should migrate to Lemon UI. Okay. Is it this? What you meant? Lemon UI. Wait, that's off. For sure not it. Grand F Auto. That's not it. Oh yeah, that's what I had open. But it's not that beautiful, to be honest. I like when MUI, when you take a look at the text element. It's like this, you see, this nice animation. I like this. Something like this, but with Tailwind. That would be best. Maybe I can check if MUI can be in React Native. Yeah, I heard that it doesn't work with maybe this. No. Really, it's working. I'm not sure if I want to add MUI because it's quite big, and to add it just because of the text fields. I will take a look again at this. But there is no, in the input, there is no helper text, right? Maybe I can just add helper text by my own. Yeah. Yeah, let's do it like that. Or actually one more thing. What I'm thinking about is how it is working with React hook form. React Native. Okay, so it will be working okay. On press, yeah, it's the same as normal React. It's really easy to write like React native application. I'm like really impressed how similar it is. Like I thought that it would be quite different, but it's like super similar. Text input form. Input. So let's rename it to text input form. CN. What is the CN? Okay. I cannot CN as well. Utils. Oh, it's Tailwind merge. Okay. So I probably need to install it. Ah, my God. Let me just take a look. Yeah, native wind, Tailwind. Oh, okay, maybe I had to do this. Are you still watching, guys? Do you find it interesting? Or should I speed up a little bit? watching. Nice. Abbas and I guess somebody from Asia because I can't really pronounce this. You two are badass. To watch the whole stream, that's amazing. Really, I really thank you for it. And I hope that I don't know what are your levels of if you like do React Native development or something, but I hope that you maybe learn something or just find it interesting to watch somebody how is coding. Okay, installing dependencies. Okay, it installed this package on its own and Tailwind merge as well. Okay, so now I should be able to just copy this. React and Django experience of 5+ years. Wow, nice. Nice, that's really nice. So maybe you are even more experienced than me. I think, to be honest, I have, like, if I count every year, I think that, like, even the years when I did it just after my normal work, I think I have like maybe 7 years in React. 5 years as full-time developer and 7 years. I also did Java. I was full stack developer Java and React, but I hate Java. I never want to do it again. Did a couple of small projects using React Native and Flutter. Nice, nice, really cool. Really cool. So it's cool that you are watching this. I will edit here in the utils. Tailwind merge. Okay. And now let's import it. Cool. Cool. So let's try to edit. Export as input now. All right. Email set email state. By the way, what do you prefer more, React Native or Flutter? Because I looked at the Flutter and I find it super weird that it's not using native components. And I think it's really bad idea, because like the reason that I like React Native is that it's using the native components when you use something. So maybe it's faster because you don't need to do some like this translation layer or something, but in my opinion, it's much better to do React Native. Yeah, and also as React developer, it's much easier. to switch from React to React Native. On change. By the way, Abbas, maybe you can follow me on X. And also the other guy that with name I can't pronounce. I think I have it in the description of the YouTube. I will follow you as well if you give me follow. I'm posting the shorts there, like summary of every stream that I did and some other things. Yeah, so I need to finish this and change text. Set email. Oh, how is it here? Because I'm used to this e.target.value, but I'm not sure how it works here. Maybe I can take a look. Or I guess I removed it, right? No, I didn't. React Native, but I was working as full stack developer as Flutter on frontend and Python Flask as backend. Okay, interesting. LinkedIn profile. Yeah, sure. Wait, I will find it and post it. Not sure if I'm logged in. Yeah. This is me. I'm from Czech Republic, by the way. Yeah, so what to add to the like what to add here? React Native text input on change. So it's added automatically there? What? I guess it's because it doesn't have any like target value, right? So it can work like that. And if I take a look here, control, here input control, not what I want. Oh yeah, here value, unchange, field unchange. Yeah, okay, I will do it like this anyway. Oh, I'm starting to be pretty tired, but I want to finish at least this front-end part. Okay, so just for now to test it, I will do this. If everything works as it should. Hmm? I haven't signed? Oh yeah. Okay, now I understand. And by the way, the other guy with the symbols as a name, sorry, for me it's symbols. You are from where? From which country, or where you are currently? So is somebody else watching? So let's reload the app. Oh wait, give me a second, somebody's calling me. Right, I'm back. I think I have only like 15 more minutes, then I need to go. It took a little bit longer than I thought. I guess that's because of the streaming. It's usually faster if I do, you know, everything on my own. I think I already would have the front end and back end as well. Because it's faster to think when you don't need to talk. I don't know why is it keep failing. I'm from North Korea. Here is 2 a.m. now. North Korea. I'm not sure if I believe you. Because from what I heard, in North Korea they don't have internet. But I have Tailwind. Native wind. Wait, what? I don't have Tailwind? Yeah, I have Tailwind. Oh, it updated. That's the issue. That's the issue. Hmm. Let's simply remove the node modules and install everything again. Yeah. I think I would need to clear cache or something. This is the simpler solution. Oh, right. Oh my god. Sorry. Still issue. Wait, something broke a lot. Something really broke. It changed a lot of things. That init. It was a mistake to do it. Oh my god. When I run that init command, I think it broke something. Oh, here is the issue. Now I see it. Okay, I need to remove the package log as well. Let's now try to run it. Ah. By the way, Abbas, did you add me into the LinkedIn? You can add me if you want. Anyone can actually. Oh yeah, okay. I think after this, if it's fixed, I will finish. No. And tomorrow I will continue. Okay, nice, thanks. And tomorrow I will continue. I'm not sure when I will stream, because for me it's much better to stream in the morning, but it's 6 a.m. UTC. So I'm not sure how much time it is in different time zones. But I think it's probably nighttime in India, right? If you have 6 a.m. No, actually no. It should be okay. Because it's better for me to stream before my work because I'm full of the energy, right? And but yeah, I will see. I will think about it. Why is it so slow? It would be 12 noon. And it's probably work time, right? So no time for watching streams. From guys from Europe, it will also be better to have it after work. So I will see. Maybe it's just about getting used to it, right? Because until now, I was used to stream before my work. So now I will stream after my work. And maybe I will just get used to, because the work itself is the same, right? I'm just changing it from before the work to after the work. So I should be able to handle it energetically. Okay, I hope it will work now, because this is super annoying. Oh my god. Ah. But at least no TypeScript issue. That's nice. Okay, I think I need fresh energy to solve this. So I think I will finish here. Yeah, I think I will finish here. I did quite. Wait, somebody's calling me again. Sorry, very quickly. Okay, so I will finish anyway. So I think I did quite a lot. The whole new backend, right? And add this form. Next time I will add the React hook form and also validations. I will add here some helper text, and then on the backend side I will add the JWT token and validation of the JWT token, storing it on the client side and the whole auth around it. Okay, big thanks to the Abdas and the other guy that with name I can't pronounce for watching the whole stream. That's like really amazing. And yeah, see you tomorrow. I will let you know when I will stream. Okay, that's all for today, so bye.